He's so cute. Being cute. And James being out.
Resort and Disney's Art of Animation Resort. We are on our way to Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort with connecting flights to Disney's Hollywood Studios and Epcot International Gateway. We are now gliding over Hourglass Lake. Please sit back, relax, and enjoy the most magical flight on Earth.
Can't really see you, but we're going up.
Welcome aboard the Disney Skyliner at Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort. Now get ready to travel back in time and enter the animated worlds of Disney. We are on our way to Disney's Pop Century Resort and Disney's Art of Animation Resort. Just ahead and to the right is Disney's Art of Animation Resort, a larger-than-life resort that celebrates the creative magic that goes into crafting Disney animated films, from sketches to reality. On your left is Disney's Pop Century Resort, a memorable resort that celebrates the way we lived, played, and communicated with each other throughout the 20th century.
Oh my goodness! I can barely see you. Oh, I can see. This be so cool in the daytime.
Welcome aboard the Disney Skyliner at Disney's Pop Century Resort and Disney's Art of Animation Resort. We are on our way to Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort with connecting flights to Disney's Hollywood Studios and Epcot International Gateway. Welcome aboard, Islanders. You are on the Disney Skyliner at Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort. We're flying to Disney's Riviera Resort with continuing flights to Epcot.
Oh my goodness, they're so pretty.
So basically, we got
Hold on to your straw hats. We are about to enter the heart of the Caribbean.
We're gonna have to get into the Riviera. I want to come back now.
Is that what you want to do?
Or do you want to go to Epcot?
Well, the fireworks show.
We are now sailing over Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort, home to a collection of tropical villages inspired by the colorful architecture and lifestyle of the Caribbean islands.
There's a. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty from up here. Can I see you? Yes, I can. Can I see down there? Probably not. Oh my god.
In just a minute, we will be arriving at Disney's Riviera Resort, a Disney vacation club that celebrates the relaxing seaports and
drop
romantic
down.
vistas of Europe's Mediterranean coast.
It's so pretty. Going down.
Ciao, bonjour, and bienvenue. Hello, and welcome to Disney's Riviera Resort. If you are traveling to Epcot, please remain on board.
Oh, we just stay on board.
Oh.
If you're just joining us, we are on our way to Epcot. Ladies and gentlemen, we invite you to sit back, relax, and enjoy the most magical.
Next finale, anyway.
We are now traveling along Buena Vista Drive. This roadway and the city of Lake Buena Vista were established in 1969 when Walt Disney World Resort was first being developed. They are both named after Buena Vista Street in Burbank, California, where the Walt Disney Company headquarters are still located today. Elegant dining and magical lounges to lively entertainment just off the shores of Crescent Lake. This charming seaside resort relives the golden era of the Disney beach towns and turn-of-the-century amusement parks.
That must have been the finale. Ooh, there's the globe. Look how high over there. Oh. Can't really. I can kind of see it. Cars down there.
If you are planning to visit World Showcase today, now might be a good time to practice your holas, ni haos, and konnichiwas. When you arrive at each nation's pavilion, cultural hosts will be waiting to greet you in their native language.